Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkens Nurseries, and today we are sharing 5 great tips for keeping your hanging baskets looking awesome all summer long. Tip number 1 is to ensure that your baskets receive the required amount of sun based on your plant's needs. So here at Sipkens Nurseries, all of our baskets are color-coded. Pick up a yellow tag if you have a full sun area. A blue tag means that this basket is best in a shady location. And a pink tag means that this basket can handle either a sun or shade location. Tip number 2, fertilize your hanging baskets every week or every 2 weeks for bigger and better blooms with a water-soluble Miracle-Gro fertilizer. And this has a high middle number that specifically promotes the blooms. Tip number 3, you want to deadhead finished flowers to make way for new blooms. Tip number 4, water often, usually every day in the heat of the summer. So tip number 5, trim long, leggy tendrils to encourage new growth. Follow these great tips to keep your hanging baskets thriving and yourself enjoying all that summer has to offer.